Uptown Gang music.
Yeah, it started with a simple favor. A connection made in the heart of the village. Your father got the transfer, moved to our side. A new face in the village, nowhere to hide. I remember the day you arrived in the heat, just a girl from the city, making life sweet. But we were just strangers until that one afternoon. My relative took your phone just to give me a ring, to bridge the distance and see what the day will bring. From that one call, our history began to grow. Late nights talking, secrets only we would know. Young love, blooming where the green grass grows. It started with your phone in a relative's hand, a spark that lit a fire across our village land. But the seasons changed and the bridge fell down. We lost our way before we found the crown. Now we're both married with children in our arms, living different lives, safe from the storms. But when the night falls quiet and the memories climb, we're still those two kids, frozen in time. It didn't end well, the shadows started to creep. Promises we made were ones we couldn't keep. The goodbye was heavy, the silence was loud. Now we're just two faces lost in the crowd. But I still see the girl from the transfer standing proud. Yeah, I love my family and I know you love yours too. I've got my responsibilities and so do you. But when I hear a phone ring or see a village track, my heart takes a moment and starts heading back to the chapter of us that we can't ever unpack. Oh, it started with your phone in a relative's hand, the spark that lit a fire across our village land. But the seasons changed and the bridge fell down. We lost our way before we found the crown. Now we're both married with children in arms, living different lives, safe from the storms. But when the night falls quiet and the memories climb, we're still those two kids, frozen in time. The transfer brought you here, but life moved us on. Yet the memory lingers, even though you're gone. Uptown Gang.